Cardio is important for any exercise routine, and we love to get outside for our cardio blast, but that can get tough when the weather gets colder. So we've got some great ideas on how you can get your heart pumping without ever leaving the house. Austin, so many people think that cardio is just running, but it's really so much more.
Running, don't get me wrong, Jane, is an amazing form of cardio, but you can do so many other things to get your heart pumping. And I always tell my clients to be creative and to get out of their box. What other things can you use around your house? Example, do you have stairs in your building? That's a great cardio workout. You can do body weight exercises in your home. You can get all the same benefits as running outside.
One thing that we need to all remember is that cardio comes with loads of health benefits.
Not only are you gonna burn calories, it's gonna help you lose weight. It's gonna help you feel better, to get those endorphins pumping, but it's also gonna help you sleep better at night.
Cardio gets our heart pumping, but having it in a variety of different ways is actually good for us.
I think the most important thing about mixing it up is to continue to pique your interest. You wanna stay motivated, and the number one thing that I always talk about, Jane, is having fun. And to keep it fun, keep it creative.
Just because the seasons are changing and the weather is turning cold, we gotta keep in mind, we gotta keep doing our cardio. So you say we can do it indoors, we can do it outdoors. Don't forget about cardio.
100%, Jane. I'm glad you say that, because a lot of my clients, it gets cold outside and we're like, well, cardio's done. But that's not the case. I'm gonna show you some exercises to skyrocket your heart rate and to get all those benefits that we just talked about.
So Austin, we love that you're so much fun because you bring fun to your exercises. And for the three you're gonna show us today, you say all we need is a pillow?
The only thing you need is a pillow, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you exercise number one. Now, exercise number one, I'm gonna do 3 exercises. It's gonna be called floor to sky. So you're gonna reach out to the floor, it's exactly how it sounds, and you're gonna reach up to the sky. Now, if you're thinking, Austin, that's it? Can we make this more difficult? I like the way you think, Jane. You can absolutely make it more difficult. You can add a hop in there. If you're thinking, Austin, this isn't enough, think about maybe putting some things in your pillowcases.
Austin, that looks like such a great workout. What is exercise number 2?
This is what's called a rainbow slam. This is where you can get some aggression out, where you can really get those endorphins pumping. So rainbow slam, think about making a rainbow, throwing the pillow down. Rainbow, throwing the pillow down. I want you to think about keeping the core tight. We're not bending over, right? So we're not rounding that back.
For this third exercise, we're targeting the abs, but we're still able to incorporate cardio? How does that work?
Yes, we are. So we're gonna bring it to the ground for this. Now, cardio is just meaning getting your heart rate up, working your cardiovascular system. Guaranteed this will do that. Let's bring the feet up. This could be a Russian twist slam. Grab the pillow, throw it down as hard as you can. Try to keep your feet up. Big rotations, so I don't want just tapping the pillow. And if this is too much, let's bring the feet down. Totally okay, as long as we're getting that heart rate up. Oh, and that is it. Those are your 3 exercises to continue to get your heart rate up, even at your house.
I think what we need to remember is to incorporate cardio into our exercise routines all year long, no matter what the weather is.
100%. Get creative, have fun, because you don't want to lose out on those benefits that we would normally get in those warmer months with cardio. And the only thing that you need is a pillow.
Thank you so much.
Jenny, thank you so much. This is so much fun.
All right, how do you get your cardio fix when the weather turns colder? We want to see your workout. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. You want more content about living healthy? Well, it's easy. Check out these videos right here and subscribe right here for more.